All right, starting at number 23. Okay, 23. You're going to skip. Okay, don't worry about it. Well, I didn't get around to teaching that concept that well. 24, skip as well. Okay, 25. All right, I want you guys to answer. Okay, 25, I want you guys to answer and tell me which line appears to be tangent to circle O. Which one is it?
Little o.
Little o. Okay, so it's O right here. Okay, so it's O right here. Oops. Okay. All right, sorry about that. Okay, so now 26. Take a look at that one. Which one is tangent?
L.
L. Okay, line L. 27. Okay, they're just asking what is the point of tangency. At what point does that line intersect that circle? -3, -1. That point right there. So my point of tangency is -3, -1. Okay. Number 28 requires you, again, for the easiest way to see this, draw a circle. Draw a picture of it.
It would be 3, -1.
Oh, I'm sorry, 3, -1. My fault. Okay, thank you for correcting that, Hunter. Thank you for telling me. Nick? All right. Now, I have the center of circle X is at the origin, and the radius is of circle X is out 8 units. So it's here, and I'm just marking these as 8. Okay, here and here. So again, it's not going to be a perfect circle, okay, in any stretch of the imagination, but you still get the idea. All right, so they want to find the equation of the line, okay, tangent to the circle at point where it's 8, at x is 8, y is 0. So they want the equation of that line. And what is it? What does that line equal?
180.
No. Well, the line in measurement equals 180, but I want to know as far as on a graph. Like, what's the x value or y value? It's 8, but which is it, x or y?
Wow.
X. So x is equal to 8. All right. Okay. 28. All right, we're looking at 29. Okay. Number 29. Now, I know that this one is hard to see. Okay. But I've got the line shown is tangent to the circle. Find the point of tangency in the equation of the line. Well, the line is hard to see, but it's right here. Okay, that's where the line is. So, what is the point of tangency? Yes, x is -2, y is -1. What's the equation of the line? No, that's the point of tangency. What's the equation of the line? Here's my line right here. Again, y equals what? No? -1. Y is equal to -1. Okay? Now, number 30, okay, again, did not feel confident enough to test you on it. So 30 and 31 we're going to skip. We're probably going to start on Tuesday with these right here, 30 and 31. Okay, number 32. Okay, 32 right here. Okay, circle A has center 0, 0 and radius, okay, and a radius of 3. Circle B has a center of -5 and 0 with a radius of 1. What sequence of transformations Okay, when they say transformations, that means that I'm going to have a translation, which means what? What does that mean? It means that it is doing what? It's moving. Okay, and then I'm going to have a dilation.
Smaller?
Okay, getting smaller or bigger. Okay,
Depending on size.
yeah. Okay, depending on the scale factor. So the X, or the center of this, of circle A, is at the origin. What did I need to do to move from point A to point B? What did I need to do to move from point A to point B?
Up to and over.
Over
5.
5. Okay? So I went right to the left. I'm sorry. I went to the left 5 and up what? 2. Okay? So I went to the left 5 and up 2. Now, is circle B bigger or smaller than circle A?
Smaller.
Smaller. So, what I should ask this, what is the size of circle B compared to A? Look at your radii of both of them. Look at your radii.
Third.
It's a third.
Let's see.
Okay, not how we moved, but look at the radii. The radius of B is 1. The radius of A is 3. So this has a dilation with a scale factor of 1/3. Okay, this has a dilation with a scale factor of 1/3. Okay, so my translation: left 5, up 2, dilation with a scale factor of 1/3. Now, number 33, okay, is just like this on your test. If I work it with you, I will give you the exact answer. You need to work on this at home, okay, and solve this out. All right, number 33, so now we need to go on to 34. Okay, and 34, okay, I want you to skip. Okay, 34, I want you to skip.
That we're not going to do it or do it at home.
No, we're not going to do it. Okay, we did this on a quiz. It's a little tough to see. Okay, I've already wrote down, all right, your number 35. Now 35 is just like 33, okay, and just like others that we've worked, talking about moving these circles, not just moving them, but also changing their overall size. So they want to know which describes how circle O, okay, which is the bigger one, be transformed to circle P, which is the smaller one. So first we're going to look at how it moved. It went from 5-5 to 6-1. Okay, so how did it move? Went from 5-5 to 6-1. How did it move?
It went
Down what?
over.
Hang on, take a look at it.
Went down.
If I go from here to here, it went down, I heard somebody say it, 4, and to the right, 1. Okay, so it went to the right 1 spot, went down 4. So that's the translation. The dilation, okay, again, look at the radii. The radii of the larger one is 4. The radius of the smaller one is 2. So how much smaller is circle P, okay, which 2/4 reduces to what? 1/2. So circle P is 1/2 smaller, or it's a dilation with a scale factor of 1/2. Okay? The circle is 1/2, circle P. We'll put circle P. It's 1/2 smaller and has a scale factor of 1/2. Now, 36 and 37 are the same as 35 and 33 and others. So work those out at home. Okay? Now, 38. Which type of figures are always, always, always similar? Circles. I think that's even that way on your test tomorrow. Okay? So you shouldn't have to spend a lot. No, circles. All right. So, now,
Wait, yeah, squares have the same.
yes, but they're not, we're not always going to be able to say that they're similar.
Yeah.
Okay.
We use your criteria.
All right.
Because if you turn them, yeah, if you turn them.
Right. If all of a sudden you start turning squares into rhombuses, okay? Okay, or rhombi, yeah, I think it's rhombuses, okay? All right, so 39, okay? 39 and 40, again, just like what we just covered. I want you to do that on your own, okay? Then, number 41, I want you to, again, I will help you set it up, but you're going to do it on your own. Now,
A bonus too.
what?
A bonus too.
No, this is actually on your test, okay? So, let's take a look at this one. Okay, what it's asking me to find is angle LYK, which is this angle right here. Now, if I find this angle, which they've given me an equation to, can I also find this angle? Yeah, okay. So if I find this one, I know I can find this one. Now, I've given you some numbers here to replace this arc and this arc right here. Okay, I've given you numbers. So, if I've given you numbers for it, let's see how we would find this angle right here. I would take 80 plus 40 and do what with it? Divide by 2. And I would get this angle, and that would be 60, correct? Is that right? Yeah, if I took 80 and 40, okay, I divide it by 2 and I get 60. Okay, then if I wanted to find this angle right here, I would take 180 minus this to get this angle, correct? All right, 180 minus this angle to get this. So, what I did is that I gave you numbers, okay, over here to kind of see how it would look. Then, to let you see how to find it, okay, I take 180 minus MYK is equal to MYJ. So, let's actually put some figures to this. If I take my 80 angle, which is 11x minus 34, I know it's kind of in the upper left-hand corner, but I put that one here. I have my 40, okay, which is 5x plus 6, and I put that here, divided by 2 is equal to 180 minus this angle right here. So, I have set it up for you. You finish it. Okay? You finish it. Now, as far as your test tomorrow, okay? As far as your test tomorrow, okay? Shh, quiet, guys.
Mr.
All right, I want you, okay, to work very hard on this. Okay,
If everybody makes over 80, we give us donuts.
for any class that does make over 80, okay, I will. Now, I am writing a word down, okay, on this video,